Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to put your Beat Solo 3 back into the case. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to Beat Solo 3 or any other beats they sell and the case that comes with beats. So we can bring the beat into the frame and the case into the frame. So once you have listened to the music and then are ready to pack away, you simply close the beats, fold them, and then you may be wondering, how do I insert the beats back into the case? Because not that much space. However, the beats have been designed to be very ergonomical, fit the human body, and then we can simply put them back into the case like this, the correct way, not this way. The speakers have to be on top, and then the case can close nicely, and then we are ready to zip up, and that's it. The beats are now back into the case. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.